Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about unfulfillable inventory. Any item can become unfulfillable in different circumstances, and most often this happens when a customer returns an item to you and Amazon decides that it is unfulfillable. As you can see, I'm now on my inventory page in the Seller Central, and if you have any items which can't be fulfilled by Amazon, then you will see their number next to remove unfulfillable inventory. So what you can do, you can go into remove unfulfillable inventory, and then you can decide what you want to do with that item. And usually you have two options. You can either tell Amazon to destroy it, or you can create a removal order and Amazon will send it to you. I personally prefer for all unfulfillable items to be returned to me, and I don't really want to manage unfulfillable inventory on this page. I want this to happen automatically, and what you can do, you can configure it in your Amazon Seller Central so Amazon can send all unfulfillable items to you. To automate returns of unfulfillable inventory to be sent to you, what you can do, you can go to settings, then navigate to fulfillment by Amazon, and on this page, if you scroll down, you can see that there is automated unfulfillable removal settings, and here you can configure it so all unfulfillable items are going to be returned to you. And this is my preferable option. This is how I do it, because quite often items are in a good condition, so I can send them back to Amazon to sell them again, or you can sell them on eBay, or quite often you can use it as a gift to your friends, to your children, and this way you are not going to lose that item forever. So I would recommend you to configure Amazon to return all unfulfillable items to you, and this will help you to save a little bit of money. I hope that this video was useful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.